Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Authenticator and export backup codes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, download the Google Authenticator app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Install the app on your mobile device. Open the app once the installation is complete. You will see a welcome screen prompting you to get started. Tap on the Get Started button. Next, choose whether you want to scan a QR code or enter a setup key manually. If you have a QR code from a website, select the Scan a Barcode option. Point your camera at the QR code to scan it. If you prefer to enter a setup key, choose the Manual Entry option. Enter the account name and the generated key as provided. Once you complete the setup, the app will generate a time-based code. This code changes every 30 seconds for added security. Always ensure you have a backup of your codes. To export backup codes from your account, navigate to your account settings where two-factor authentication options are located. Look for the Backup Codes option within the settings. Click on it to generate a new set of backup codes. These codes are usually presented in a list format. Make sure to write these codes down or save them in a secure location. You can print them for physical security or keep them in a password manager. Remember, these codes are one-time use only. Once you've successfully backed up your codes, return to Google Authenticator. You are now set up with Google Authenticator and your backup codes. Always keep your device secure to protect your accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.